pandemic. What about epidemic or endemic? Do you know what they mean? Well, keep watching when I talk about all three. An epidemic is a disease that affects a lot of people within a community, population, or particular region. A good example is the rising rate of obesity in the United States. A pandemic is an epidemic but on a larger scale. It is a disease that has spread over multiple countries and continents. An obvious example is COVID-19 because it spread over all the continents. Finally, what is an endemic? It is endemic when it belongs to a people or country. For example, malaria. Malaria is endemic to some parts of Africa. Thanks for watching. Now you know the difference between all three.